Hey guys, so today is a very special day. It's my birthday. So I've taken a day off so I can work on this project. I've been procrastinating for, wow, look at my face. It's so shiny. Holy moly. I'm just glowing. Anyways, I've taken a day off from work today so I can get this project done because sooner I get this done, sooner I get the small parts on and we can start driving this thing around and have real fun. But first, I need to go down to Harbor Freight Tools because today, on my birthday, they are having a parking lot sale, which is like once a year event. So there are two sales I look forward to every year. One is the REI garage sale, and two is the Harbor Freight parking lot sale. It's my birthday. Here we go. Let's go shopping. Okay, so I am back from Harbor Freight, and I picked up this like a $60 vise, a 5-inch vise. So that's gonna work out perfect for my project. And I had a 20% coupon on top of that. And I also bought a few other things. And all I know is my wife's gonna kill me. So we'll keep that on the down low. So I've been soaking this guy for over a week, but the bolts are so rusted in there, it's not budging. Dang, my face is so shiny. So I am ready to go ahead and start extracting, and I'm gonna be using this DeWalt universal adjustable tap handle. Okay, so this thing is in there so good. I'm gonna have to put a little heat on here to see if I can break up that rust. So let's give that a try, and then we'll come back and see if we can twist this off and then get that bolt out. All right, I give up. All right, so my new plan here is to drill the bolt all the way through because I'm just not able to extract it, and then I'm gonna retap it. So here we go. Okay, so I think I'm making some progress. So what I did was I drilled down, making this hole a little bit bigger and bigger and bigger until this the bolt that was in there is literally paper thin. And taking a little screwdriver and then grabbing a corner of the screw and tapping it, the existing bolt in there came loose. And now I can extract this out really easy. Ta-da! Come on, sucker. Look at that. How sweet is that? So hopefully I'm gonna chase this back down with a tap and rethread this, so we should be good to go. I'm so relieved. Nice. Okay. Beautiful, look at that. I can't tell you how stoked I am that I didn't have to mess up the manifold, because this would have cost me over 900 bucks to replace this whole thing. So you just got to go slow and take small pieces off at a time. I guess that's the key. Okay, so basically the bolts that goes into the manifold are these two double-headed studs. So there's a short end and a long end. Let me show you here. And the short end goes into the manifold and the long end sticks up. So before we do that, we're gonna go ahead and put on some anti-seize on these bolts. Get you a little better angle here, move the camera, there we go. Okay, so just by hand is all you need. Oh, here it is. Okay, and then we have manifold gasket. And then this will go something like this. Okay, that looks good. So we are making progress. Oh, let me show you guys what I got today at the parking lot sale at Harbor Freight. So, I wouldn't only be all that excited about Harbor Freight, but today was their big once a year tent sale, and I picked up this welder deal. So I'm going to use this to weld the rock rails, the sliding bars. What the hell what they called? I'm brain dead. Rock sliders. I'm going to use a welder to install the rock slider on my Fj60 with this bad boy. So it's supposed to weld up to 1/4 inch steel. And according to online and YouTube, I've watched some videos of these guys welding a 1/4 inch steel together. And they were pretty stoked. So for $149, I got a killer deal. So I've been eyeballing this for so long. I pulled the trigger only because it's my birthday. And I picked up the nice 50-foot hose cord for my air compressor. That's like 100 bucks. I got it for 45 or 48 bucks. and some, you know, a little bit of this and that. So anyways, I can't wait to share this project with you guys. You know, I don't know why closing a video is like one of the hardest thing to do, but all I can say is hope you guys will stay tuned and hope you enjoyed the video today, and please give me a thumbs up if you guys liked the video. Hope you guys are seeing that I'm making some progress, and there's a lot more videos to come. In July we're going up to Rubicon, so I hope that this truck will be ready for that. But I've got a few major things I gotta do before then. I want to upgrade my center gearbox to some lower gears, so that's the biggest thing. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and we'll see you next time.